Next topic. A small exercise. So partly factored polynomials. Already the equations will be factored, but we have to solve those equations. So straightly we can go for example. Example 3.23. Solve x minus 2 into x minus 7, x minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 19 equal to 0. See, all are already partly factored, but even then I have to solve. Now, before going for solving, we must have in our mind, when I multiply all these product, then I will get x power 4 as the highest term. So, here I have to find 4 values for this x. Now, I cannot put equal to 0 because plus 19 is 0. So, I have to multiply these two. But we are not going to do the actual multiplication. We are going to do some term will apply and then we will factor. That is, we shall go for some connection between the x terms or the constant terms. Suppose if I take the constant terms and if I add them, minus 2 minus 7, it is minus 9. Or if I go for minus 2 and minus 3, it is minus 5. Minus 7 plus 2 also it is minus 5. So, let me combine x minus 2 and x minus 3. Let me combine x minus 7 and x plus 2 plus 19 equal to 0. I just alter so that when I add the constant it becomes minus 5. Similarly, when I add these two constants it becomes minus 5. In such a way I am combining. Now if I multiply these two alone separately and these two alone separately, it is x square minus 5x plus 6. Similarly, this is x square minus 5x minus 14 plus 19 equal to 0. Now you can observe the term x square minus 5x is repeated. So, in that case, let me take that x square minus 5x as something. Then the equation becomes, wherever x square minus 5x is there, it becomes t plus 6. Then another one is t minus 14 plus 19 equal to 0. Now if I multiply these two, it is t square. 6 minus 14 is minus 8t minus 6 4s are 24, remainder 2, 6 1s are 6, 84 plus 19 equal to 0. It is t square minus 18t minus 65 equal to 0. Now see, the equation is reduced to a quadratic equation in t. We shall factorize this minus 65. Then it is 8 I need. The only option is 13 into 5 minus 13 plus 5. When I multiply it becomes minus 35. When I add it becomes 30. It is 60. What's the minus 8? So t minus 13 into t plus 5 equal to 0. So t equal to 13 or t equal to minus 5. When t equal to 13, it is x square minus 5x, or else we should do separately. Therefore, t equal to 13, comma t equal to minus 5. When t equal to 30, that is x square minus 5x equal to 30. X square minus 5x minus 13 equal to 0, which is again a quadratic equation in x. We can factorize, but 13 is a prime number, we cannot factorize. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 13. So x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. It is plus 5 plus or minus 25. Minus into minus plus 4 13s are 52 by 2 ones are 2. 5 plus or minus root 77 by 2. This is in case 1. That is case 1. When t equal to 5 minus 5, that is x square minus 5x equal to minus 5. X square minus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. So again, the same case, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 5, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square 25 minus 4 5s are 20 by 2a. It is 5 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Therefore, roots are 5 plus or minus root 7 by 22, 5 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Here there are 2 roots and here there are 2 roots. Totally we have all the 4 roots. This is called factorizing partly factored polynomial. Now we shall go for next problem. Exercise 3.4. First problem. Solve x minus 5, x minus 7, x plus 6, x plus 4 equal to 5 and 4. As I told, we have to find some relationship among x or some of the coefficients. 6 minus 5, 1. Minus 7 plus 4, minus 3, it's not having anything. So, minus 5 plus 4, minus 1, minus 7 plus 6, minus 1. So, I can combine x minus 5 and x plus 4. Similarly, x minus 7 into x plus 6 minus 5 and 4 equal to 0. We should find the product among these two. See, it is x square minus x minus 20. It is x square minus x minus 42. Minus 5 and 4 equal to 0. Here x square minus x is repeated. So I can take x square minus x as t. Then it is t minus 20. T minus 42 minus 5 and 4 equal to 0. Now I can multiply t square minus 62t plus 242s are 840 minus 504 equal to 0. It is t square minus 62t plus 336 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation in t. We shall try to factorize this 336. Suppose if I divide by 3, it is 1, 1, 2. Again by 2, it is 5 times, 6 times. So it is 6 into 56. When I add, am I getting 62? But I need minus 62. So minus 6 minus 56. So that it becomes plus 336. So it is t minus 6, t minus 56 equal to 0. T equal to 6, t equal to 56. Case 1. When t equal to 6, that is x square minus x equal to 6, x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 can be factorized as 3 2s. It is minus 3 plus 2. When we multiply minus 6, when we add, we are getting minus 6. So it is x minus 3, x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 3, comma x equal to minus 2. Now we shall go for next one, case 2. t equal to 56, that is x square minus x equal to 56, x square minus x minus 56 equal to 0. Minus 56 can be factorized as 8 7s are. It is minus 8 plus 7. It is x minus 8, x plus 7 equal to 0. X equal to 8, comma x equal to minus 7. So we got all the 4 roots. Roots are minus 7, minus 2, 3 and 8. With the exercise 3.4, first problem is ordered. Now, under 1, second problem. x minus 4 into x minus 7, x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 16. Minus 4 minus 7 minus 11, so no connection. Suppose if I take alternate terms, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, minus 7 plus 1 minus 6. So I can combine x minus 4 and x minus 2, x minus 7 and x plus 1. 16 if it is taken to this side, minus 16. Now let me find the product between these two or that two. This is x square minus 6x plus 8. And this is x square minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6x minus 7 minus 16 equal to 0. Now x square minus 6x is repeated. So let me take that one as t. Then it is t plus 8 and that one is t minus 7 minus 16 equal to 0. Is t square plus t minus 56 minus 16 equal to 0. It is t square plus t minus 72 equal to 0. Minus 72 can be factorized as 9 8s are. So that I need plus 1. So plus 9 minus 8. It is t plus 9. T minus 8 equal to 0. So t equal to minus 9. T equal to plus 8. Case 1. If t equal to minus 9, that is x square minus 6x equal to minus 9. X square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. 9 can be factorized as 3 3s are. But I need minus 6, so minus 6 minus 3. When I multiply it becomes plus 9. When I add it becomes minus 6. So x minus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 3, comma x equal to 3. Now, case 2. Same, when t equal to 8, that is x square minus 6x equal to 8. X square minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 8 cannot be factorized. You have to be very careful. Minus 8 because I cannot get minus 8. So we can go for formula. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 6, c equal to minus 8. Then x equal to minus b. Plus or minus b square minus 4ac 4 divided by 2a. It is not factorizable, always we can go for formula. It is plus 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 4 into minus 8 is plus 32 by 2. It is 6 plus or minus 68 by 2. It is 6 plus or minus 68 can be written as, I can divide it by 4. So 4 into 1 time, remainder 7 times by 2. It is 6 plus or minus root 4 is 2 by root 7 by 2. If I take 1 2 as a common term, 3 plus or minus root 17 by 2. It is 3 plus or minus root 17. So we got all the 4 roots. Therefore, roots are 3, 3 minus root 17 and 3 plus root 17. With that, all the 4 roots we follow. This is problem number 2 under 1. Now we should go for second problem. With that, the exercise itself gets over. So 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 2 into 2x plus 3 plus 20 equal to 0. So far we found a connection only among the constants. Now we cannot have any connection among the constants because 3 minus 1 2, here 3 minus 2 or 3 minus 2. So we don't have any connection among the constants. So what I am doing, it is not necessary that always we must find a connection only among the constants. We can find even with the x term. So here x into x square, it is 4x square. When I take 4 out, it becomes x square. So 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 is combined. X plus 3 and x minus 2 is combined plus 20 equal to 0. So here The connection is found only among x terms. You can understand by doing problem. So when you multiply, it is 4x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 3. This is x square plus x minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. See, it is 4x square plus 4x minus 3. This is x square plus x minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. In the first two terms is 4 common, then I will have x square plus x minus 3. This is the first term here. Here it is x square plus x minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. Now you can see what x square plus x will be repeated. So let the repeating term x square plus x let me take that one as t. Now the equations becomes 4t minus 3 into t minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. The equation is reduced to this form. We shall multiply now. 4t square minus 24t minus 3t plus 80 plus 20 equal to 0. It is 4t square minus 27t plus 38 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in t. We can factorize 4 into 38. I am not going to multiply, just this. It is 2 into 2. 38 can be just 2 into 19. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 19. When I add, am I getting 27? So it is minus 8 minus 19. We shall divide by 4 now. And it is minus 2 minus 19 by 4. It is t minus 2 into t minus 19 by 4 equal to 0. So t equal to 2, comma t equal to 19 by 4. First case, case 1. When t equal to 2, that is t is x square plus x equal to 2. X square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 can be factorized as 2 ones are plus 2 minus 1. So x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2, comma x equal to 1. Shall go for case 2 now. Case 2. When t equal to 19 by 4, that is x square plus x equal to 19 by 4. Shall multiply by 4, it is 4x square plus 4x equal to 19. 4x square plus 4x minus 19 equal to 0. Since 19 is a prime number, we shall go for formula. Here a equal to 4, b equal to 4, c equal to minus 19. Therefore x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Minus 4 plus or minus b square is 16 minus into minus will become 4. 4 4s are 16 into 19. 6 9s are 54. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 5 11. 19. 4 0 1. 3 not 4 plus 3 not 4 by 2 4s are 8. It is minus 4 plus or minus 3 not 4 plus 16, 0, 2, 3. 320 by 8. This can be as x equal to minus 4 plus or minus 320 is 16 into 20 by 8. Again minus 4 plus or minus 16 into 4 into 5 by 8. Is minus 4 plus or minus 4 into 2 into root 5 by 8. When 4 is common, it is minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. 4 and 8 cancels, minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 2. Therefore, already we have 2 roots. Therefore, roots are minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 2, comma minus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 2. With that we found all the 4 roots. With that, exercise 3.4 is also